Hi, I'm Nir. I'm from Jetpack Apps. I'm here to present to you Jobflows, a complete application tracking system on top of Monday.com WorkOS. Basically, with Jobflows, you can manage all of your hiring pipeline from Monday.com and integrate with LinkedIn, with Indeed, and with Seek. So here's a short demo. Basically, once you install Jobflows from the app marketplace, you get a workspace with open positions, applicant database, and a dashboard. Once you create open positions on your board, you can edit it with rich text editor and define everything you need about this job. From department, where is it, sign, how many site, how many openings, is it full-time, part-time, intern, everything is customizable. And then once you decide to publish it, there are three things that we can do that are not possible with Monday.com. So for example, Healthy is a Jobflows customer, and once Healthy is posting his jobs, publishing them, you can see here on their website there is careers. So this entire web page that is going to load now is based on the Monday.com board. So, for example, you can see that there are open positions here on this board. Each of them is an item from the board here. So we created a website career page that Healthy is linking from their website, and anyone can see it. It is searchable on Google. Anyone can go and apply for this job. Once they apply to this job, they are using this form, which is a Monday form that HR can customize based on the position. So this is an example how a job is posted on a career page. But also we have a LinkedIn integration that you can see that all of the jobs that are posted for this company are also posted on LinkedIn. And then once someone wants to apply, they apply directly to a Monday board. Another thing is that specifically for the Asian market and specifically for Australia and New Zealand, we are also integrated with Indeed, with Seek, sorry. So you can have your Seek account or the higher Seek account is basically linked here, and you can create a job with all Seek job posting actually is integrated here. And you can see that the job is technical support, and also this job was posted using Jobflows for Monday on Seek. And once someone apply, they can apply directly from here. And once they are applying, you can see that their application lands on a job board on Monday, and you can manage the entire pipeline directly from here. From CV screen, phone interview, everything is customizable, and you can use this board to manage this entire information that just came from Seek directly to Monday. The advantages, of course, are that the data is not siloed. Now, anyone in the company that is already using Monday can be added to this. For example, hiring manager can be added to this board. He can review the candidates directly on Monday. So just to ramp up, with Jobflows, you get a complete workspace that is integrated to an external career page, to LinkedIn, to Seek, to Indeed. And once applicants are applying to the job, their applications land on job board directly here that you can manage the entire pipeline directly from this board. The price is a fixed price per month. It's around 145 USD for everything. Unlimited candidates, unlimited jobs, unlimited everything. Very cheap compared to the alternatives on the market. And of course, very modular, since you can, on top of what we created, you can customize everything from the emails, automated alerts, and customizable pipeline. Uh, I'll be happy to assist you and answer any questions. Contact us after the meeting. My name is Nir. We are from Jetpack Apps, and this is Jobflows. Thank you.